launched the F-150 Raptor in late 2009, the high-speed off-roader set the pickup world on its ear. Much of the truck's inherent capability and sex appeal came from its beefy suspension, in particular, its novel Fox Racing remote reservoir shocks. For the second-gen 2017 Raptor, Fox was again tapped to provide the Raptor secret sauce, even larger dampers featuring 9 stages. Now, with the competition finally starting to catch the Raptor scent, Ford has upgraded the 2019 model in numerous ways, including a set of new electronically adjustable Fox Live valve shocks. At the automaker's invitation, I headed to Arda, Utah, just outside Salt Lake City, to participate in Ford Performance Racing School's Raptor Assault program. The goal? To get the lowdown on the truck's new bouncy bits, as well as experience a battery of other updates that make one of the world's most capable vehicles even more so. For my money, this latest Raptor update stops short of qualifying as a full refresh, because Ford hasn't touched the big brute's visuals. In fairness, however, despite the appearance of new and upgraded competitors like the 2019 Ram 1500 Rebel and 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, the automaker probably didn't need to. Even without any visual tweaks, the wide-body 2019 F-150 Raptor is still one badass motor plugger. While the Raptor's generous suspension travel remains unchanged at 13 inches up front and 13.9 inches